Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Dana Najah binti Zanani. My matrix number is 08DPR20F1012. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a table fan properly. First of all, the table fan is unplugged from the socket. Second, the components of the table fan are open and separated. Thirdly, the motor housing is wiped by using a dry cloth. Do not use a damp cloth to prevent any damages on the motor housing. After that, a cloth is dampened into a mixture of water and dishwashing liquid. In the next step, the fan base is rubbed by using the damp cloth. Then the fan base is dried by using another dry cloth. Make sure to wipe thoroughly to avoid any dust left. Next, the components of the table fan are washed by using a wet sponge. Once it is all clean, all components of the table fan are reinstalled. Make sure to reattach every component tightly. Ta-da! Now you have your clean as new table fan again. But why do you think it is important to clean our table fan regularly? Cleaning your fan may not be high on your priority list, but chances are it really needs cleaning. Whether it is on or off, your fan will collect dust. But if you don't clean your fan, it will continue to circulate dust throughout your home, and you don't want to be breathing in those harmful particles. Excess dust can also overwork the motor, which is this one, which will shorten its lifespan and may cause damage. It doesn't take much dust to have a measurable effect. You will greatly reduce the amount of dust on your household appliances as well if you clean your fan regularly. I hope this video will be very helpful for you to follow. Either it is a table fan or a ceiling fan, do not forget to clean your fan at home at least once a week. That's all from me, Nurul Dana Najah binti Zanani. Bye!